Alright, go.
I almost did it, but then I was like, no.
That's awesome.
Oh my god! How's the water? Can you come to me? What? Leslie, I'm really sweet though.
Is it cold?
Seriously, with you in the water, it looks like the water.
Holy shit. Is it cold?
That makes me feel like that. Stop! Making me laugh. I went to my pants and it's gonna go dripping down onto you.
That's disgusting.
Hair ties and bobby pins.
Everywhere?
How do I get up? This way? That's the way I came up. There's a whole bunch of broken glass. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
That looked like so much fun.
It
did.
down.
I honestly wish I was on my page.
That's the hardest part of right there, the rock that you're on. Getting to that one. That's how I scratched myself. And there's no other easier way? If you can find a way to